Hello again, just talking to you about SEO scammers and spammers, and point number 4. I'm going to do 10 of them, and this is the 4th one. You'll be able to look around and find the other ones. Let's just look at people who say something like 50 top 10 rankings guaranteed. Now, you can get, using long leads, you can get anything to actually come up on Google, number 1, or wherever, you know. So instead of it just being, say, NLP or NLP in Sydney, it might be something like, you know, NLP training psychologists in Sydney. Well, of course, you know, chances are, you know, I could get you number 1 in that in about 24 hours. So, so that's not really going to achieve the goal. So, what you really need is you need qualified traffic that actually converts. And so a ranking by itself does not necessarily provide qualified traffic, and that's where a good SEO person is actually not only just coming up with the keywords that go with your business, but they're actually thinking through the phrases, and they've got to be intuitive and think about what is somebody who needs your service actually going to type in. You know, for example, say someone's got a kid with learning difficulties. You know, they might sort of, and they're based in Melbourne. Well, they're first going to type in learning difficulties. They're going to get results from all over the world. Then they're going to think to themselves, okay, we've got to refine them. And so, of course, the obvious thing to do would be perhaps to either do it in Melbourne, and they'll get a number, and then they might look and go, oh, okay, I'm getting the hang of this now. Maybe I'm going to do something like learning difficulties, you know, therapist in Box Hill or something like that. You know, that's the kind of thing where you definitely want to be there. Great, you want to be number 1 for learning difficulties in Melbourne, and I've actually have achieved that for a client. So yeah, getting back to the thing about this sort of scam again is that if you see something like, you know, 100 top 10 rankings guaranteed, you know, it's just a marketing phrase. It's not going to you know, they may achieve some of that, but are they really getting to the core of where you want to be? Because you're better off being, you know, number 3 or number 4 or number 7 or number 8, something like that, for what you really want, and focusing on that than actually being, you know, number 1 for 100 phrases that no one's ever going to type in. You know, as you know, word is the most important thing. Each particular word is going to bring results in, and it's also going to, you know, if those results aren't on those people's pages, then it's going to exclude them. So have a think about what that is, and if you really want me to do some SEO for you, it's very simple to arrange. Just click on the link there and have a chat from there. It's you know, it's sort of what I do all the time now for many clients. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.